they want to summon the head of the Justice Department's antitrust division. What would that do?
Well, AT&T wants to put the head of the antitrust division on its witness list. There's a trial. The trial in the case is, the lawsuit in the trial is set to go to trial in March. And they're also looking for communications between the department and the White House. And what it seems like is going on is that AT&T is trying to get evidence about whether President Trump influenced or interfered with the department's investigation into the merger.
Knowing that that's what AT&T is after, is this, I mean, this is so unusual already, but is it even lawful and legal? Can it even happen?
It would be really unprecedented for the president to interfere in an investigation. I've covered a lot of these trials. I've never heard of this issue coming up at all, but this is a very unique situation because of Trump's criticism of CNN and his criticism of this deal as president, and that has sparked a lot of speculation that he did interfere in the review, but there's been really no evidence about that.
No, but I'm not asking about that. What I'm really asking about is it lawful and legal for AT&T, a private company, or a public company, to put somebody like that on the stand and ask them questions directly about the president? Can that person even respond?
It's possible. I mean, I think we should find out some more later tomorrow, where there's a status conference in the case. And both sides are expected to bring this to the judge. It is possible, according to lawyers, that he could take the stand if the judge decides that, in fact, his testimony is relevant to whether this deal is anti-competitive. And I think that is a fight that will come out in court. I don't know if the Justice Department will oppose it or not. It's possible that the head of the division would want to take the stand and defend the deal.
Is that the primary risk of this strategy?
Well, the risk is that, yes, there's no evidence of interference, and the head of the division becomes a very good witness for the government. On the flip side, though, if there is evidence of any interference, or if the Justice Department fights against putting the head of the division on the stand, then the potential is that the government's justification for bringing this case is undermined. I think this is a tricky situation for AT&T and for the government, and we'll see how it plays out, I think, tomorrow.